You want to know some phrases that America is most afraid of? International Criminal Court and international multilateral treaties. You see, I believe that it's the real reason that our hero Malcolm X isn't here with us today.
Malcolm, what is your purpose here?
Well, my purpose here is to remind the African heads of state that there are 22 million of us in America who are also of African descent, and to remind them also that we are the victims of America's colonialism or American imperialism, and that our problem is not an American problem, it's a human problem. It's not a Negro problem, it's a problem of humanity. It's not a problem of civil rights, but a problem of human rights.
And what do you hope for from this conference?
Well, we hope to bring pressure upon them, or rather we hope to impress upon them the importance of their bringing pressure and world opinion upon the United States to take some meaningful effort to solve our problem in America. We want them to help us get our problem before the United Nations and charge America with violating our human rights in the same way that South Africa is charged with violating the human rights of our people in that area.
And what sort of reaction have you been getting from the African leaders?
Well, I've gotten a good reaction, a very sympathetic reaction, and an understanding reaction. Many of them have been misinformed by the American government into thinking that black people in America don't identify with Africa, and therefore they've restrained themselves from voicing their interest in our problem. But I've impressed upon them that our problem is their problem, as well as their problems are our problem.
Brother Malcolm was right. We have an accountability to and for each other. These are your treaties because you are a member of the human family. These are already all of the rights that we've been fighting and struggling for all these years. Treaties are not just something that First Nations speak of, to which you're not listening to. We all have accountability to and for each other. Brother Malcolm was right. I would actually question a government who refuses to ratify something like the Rome Statute, to which you're not hearing a whole lot on the major news about what is happening, how many countries are submitting a particular occupation in for genocide and war crimes. Just because you didn't ratify the Rome Statute doesn't mean it doesn't apply. I would actually question a government who refuses to ratify the Convention on the Rights of the Child. The only country who hasn't ratified it is America. Make America get accountable, and we can learn our treaties. Don't say the treaties don't matter. I mean, even the Constitution of the United States says in Article 6, Section 2, a treaty is the highest law of the land. You see, Brother Malcolm was right, and he started a work that we need to finish. These treaties are your treaties. If you're a member of the human family, these are your treaties. It outlines and states this explicitly for you. Their problems are our problems are their problems. That speaks to accountability. If you've never read these, this is what needs to be elevated. Why aren't you walking into court with these human rights instruments? We already have the tools to permanently abolish slavery, to end sexism, racism, and to value life. They're right here. Let's do the work and keep elevating together. These are your treaties, and I want everyone saying, honor the treaties. Let's make America get accountable, and let's make accountability great again.